I'm Ferry Korsten. I'm from Holland. I'm a producer and a DJ. My style of music is pretty much more on the trancey side of things, but with a little bit of electro influences and some techno here and there, but mainly trance, yeah. I never really had the ambition to become a DJ. DJ thing was something that came later. I was always interested in music in general, definitely. I started out as, as DJing. Having 2 decks. My real interest was really in making music, producing it, and that's how I started, by just saving money and buying the first little synthesizer. Then I met some people who had some sort of studio. We started making music, and at some point we had enough material to release a record. After that, after a few records, some of my records really hit the charts big time in the UK. This was in 1999. Yeah, this was out of the blue. This was top 20 in the UK, and all of a sudden, I was asked to play in clubs as a DJ, and I decided to try it out and never stopped. It's always been electronic music, really. Yeah, since I was a little kid. So I've never been a real big rock fan. I like rock music now, but it's always been the electronic side of music.
That one day